Hi, are you an artist and don't know where to share your music? Yes, you have come to the right place. Today we are going to share 15 fantastic websites where you can share your music to the world. Whether you're a seasoned musician or you are just starting out, these websites have something for you. So stick around because you don't want to miss this. Before we get started, if it's your first time to see this face on YouTube, my name is called Mose Wamkota. I do post twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So please make sure to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you can't miss any amazing videos on how to make money online. Now first up we have SoundCloud. SoundCloud is the largest music sharing platform in the world, perfect for both new and established artists. This platform allows you to upload, share, and promote your music. Sign up with your Gmail account, upload your tracks, and then start building your audience. SoundCloud has a user-friendly interface and a large community of listeners. It is a great platform to get feedbacks and grow your fan base. Now the next platform that you can share your music is called Bandcamp. Bandcamp is a popular website for independent artists to sell their music and merchandise direct to fans. It offers a great way to support your music career financially. Sign up, create a profile, then start uploading your tracks on this website. And the best part with this website is that you can set your own price and fans can even pay more to support your work. Bandcamp takes a small commission on every sale, but the majority of the commissions goes directly to you. Now another greatest website where you can share your music is called YouTube. It is not just for music video. You can also upload your audio tracks with engaging visuals. And the best part with this platform is that you can reach global audience. So what you need to do is that you need to create a YouTube channel, upload your music, and use keywords and descriptions to help people find your tracks. With the monetization options like ads and channel membership, you can earn money from your content. And the best part with YouTube is that it has got monetization options, and it also has got a huge global audience. Another amazing website where you can share your music is called Spotify. This is one of the most popular music streaming services globally. This is an essential platform for any artist who want to reach a wider audience. Now to get your music on Spotify, you will need a distributor like DistroKid or TuneScore. Once your music is uploaded, you can create an artist profile and promote your tracks to millions of listeners worldwide. Apple Music is another major music streaming services. It offers a huge potential and great monetization options similar to Spotify. You will need a music distributor to upload your music to Apple. Create an artist profile, engage with your fans, and make your music available to millions of Apple users. Audiomack is a free, unlimited music sharing and discovery platform for artists, test makers, and labels. Sign up, upload your music, and share it with Audiomack community. It is a great platform to get exposure and build a fan base. Now another great website is called Reverb Nation. This is a platform that is dedicated to help artists on their careers. It offers tools for promotion, distribution, and fan engagement. Sign up, create your profile, and use Reverb Nation tools to promote your tracks with opportunities for gigs and industry connections. Reverb Nation is a valuable resource for any artists. SoundClick is a social music service that allows artists to upload their music. It also offers tools for creating artist profiles and connecting with fans. Sign up, upload your music, and create artist profile. SoundClicks offers options for selling your music and engaging with the community of listeners. Mixcloud is a platform for streaming, radio shows, DJ mixes, and podcasts. It's a great platform for artists who want to share their mixes or full-length DJ sets. Sign up, upload your content, and share it with the Mixcloud community. It is a fantastic way to reach fans who enjoy curated music experience. Tidal is a high-fidelity streaming music services that offers lossless quality audio. It is a great platform for artists who want their music to be heard in the best quality possible. Now, to get your music on Tidal, you will need a music distributor. Once your tracks are uploaded, you can create an artist profile and promote your music to Tidal, high quality focused audience. Deezer is another major streaming platform with a global audience. It offers a great tools for artists to share their music and reach new fans. Upload your music through a distributor, create an artist profile, and start promoting your music. Deezer offers analytic tools to help you understand your audience better. Jamendo is a music platform that focuses on independent artists. It allows you to share your music with fans and earn revenue through licensing. Sign up, upload your music, make it available for downloads and streaming. Jamendo also offers opportunities for licensing of your music for commercial use. Heartthis.at is a music sharing platform that allows artists to share their music. It is similar to SoundCloud, but it has got additional features. Sign up, upload your music, and start building an audience. This platform offers tools for monetization and promotion, making it a great platform for independent artists. NoiseDreads allows artists to share their music for free while collecting fan data. It is a great way to build an email list and engage with your fans. Sign up, upload your music, and offer it for free downloads in exchange with fan email addresses. NoiseDread also offers tools for promoting your music and engaging with fans. Amuse is a music distribution service that allows artists to upload their music for free and distribute it to major streaming services. Sign up, upload your music, and distribute your music to platforms such as Spotify and Apple Music. Amuse also offers tools for promotion and monetization, making it a valuable resource for any artists. To get started with any of these platforms, all you need is a reliable internet connection, a laptop, or a smartphone, and a little bit of your time. With the consistency and dedication, you can share your music to the world and reach a global audience. So what are you waiting? If you are an artist out there, explore these websites and then start sharing your music. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends who want to share their music to reach a global audience. God bless you. Until the next time, bye.